hauling calves to auction today. It's not too cold in the morning, but cold enough. And I was gonna video us weighing them yesterday, but it was pitch black when we did it, so couldn't have seen much anyway. We're getting ready to go here. I need your tag to go through. Okay, I just need this guy's tag number right here.
Benite cattle here, 344 they weigh, morning delivery. All bulls, some bulls. All right, they're good green steers here, steers and bulls. 344 they weigh, 720, a 720, a 20, a 15, a 15, 10, but it in $7, a 700, a 700, a 700, 600, a 600, 650. $6 and 600, 550, a 550, a 650 now 5, 655, 650, but 55, anywhere 650, but 55, 650, but 55, anywhere 650, but 55, anywhere 650, but 55. Sold them $6.50.
Good morning. A little bit of a cold morning. It's slightly snowing right now, and sending out some pens. A little bit slick, but making headway here.
We've got a trailer full of calves here that are all from these calf sheds, and they're going to be going into group pens. There's actually a lot because they've been able to go for a bit yet, but it's been too cold to transition them. We don't like transitioning them during harsh weather, so it's warm enough now that we can. Freshly cleaned pen, Mackay cleaned this morning. Get these hairs out. First time getting to the trailer, so they're a bit nervous. All in their new pen, eating their feed. Happy cows. 191 is the youngest calf in here, and he's the biggest by a lot. He's a big chunker, and he's already been a pain in the butt because he doesn't like to move, so that's fun. Can't wait till he gets even bigger. Hello, I just dropped off some straw for the bottle calves. I'll have to bed them later. Now I'm gonna go get some hay for my goats and then see how far I can get with the calf chores. Okay, so the tractor is dead, so I'm charging it, and in the meantime I'm going to do all of the straw and grain for the calves. Next I'll fill the grain. The bale delivered. It's a bit of a muddy, mucky mess today, but needed to get it delivered because yesterday I used that hay, but it's not the nicest, so I'd rather not So yeah, we got some good hay here, and my goats will be happy.
Morning. It's Saturday. Bringing in this forks from my Ford tractor and to a local shop here. He's going to cut all the spikes off and we're going to put in some nice new fancy bell spikes. So let's get it done. Sorry?
It's a little spicy, it was a little fast. It's about to get a lot more impressive than 3 days ago. Now we need to go.
Just get.
Okay, so we had some crazy weird wind today. Came with this storm and then also knocked its bin over. And normally, we've had the bins fall before, because these two silver ones are empty. And they are anchored down, but they're anchored down so that they don't fall that way, because normally the wind comes from that way. But today, it apparently came from the other way, and it barely missed the barn. So there's no damage to the barn from this side anyway. You can see like pretty close there. However, it did also take what was going to be the goat shelter and blew it into the barn. So that's the goat shelter right there. In the barn, or over the barn or whatever. So we won't be using that as the goat shelter. And no animals were hurt, so that's good. This auger looks like it's not doing too good actually. Huh, hadn't seen that before. I think that went in the barn. Well, I think it went in the window. Anyway, we're gonna do damage control in the daylight, I guess. Yeah, so that's the shelter. It was over here. Huh, crazy. Because it lifted it up. It was like sitting there. It literally lifted it up. Blew it all the way over there. Like, that's kind of crazy. Oh, and there's some cows that are out. Hi, cows. You're enjoying the free hay. Wow. Okay, this is a piece of the frame way over here. So like, go off there. I don't know. It's crazy work. So I haven't given an update about the goats lately, but the kids are getting quite big now, and they're right around weaning age. So hopefully the mothers will start weaning them off soon. And I have all the bucklings up for sale now. So hopefully we can get that sorted. But they're doing pretty good. I just gave them grain, so they're all eating that now. Ideally, I'd have a trough for them, but I don't have one yet. And ideally, I'd have a hay feeder, but I don't. And since the shelter fell, it's right behind those doors, and we haven't had a chance to move it yet. So I've been feeding them with a couple small bales. We don't have a ton, but I've been using what we have. And I've been feeding them over here, which is normally where I feed the grain. So I've kind of swapped to do grain over there and hay over here. But this little buck. Hi, Rory. Rory got some new boots today. Yeah, it's a goat. Can you say goat? Can you say goat? Yeah, there's a puppy over there. Goat. Yeah.